Stop wasting your 4 hour day to normally like reply a same question to your customers. So here we are building a AI bot setups which analyze our emails, and after analyzing it will behave our customer set. It will check our behavior of our customers, and if our like a customer is our real customer, then it will automatically send an email and create a structureful CRM lead. So here we are building from scratch. So let's start it. So you can see here, this is the option like create a scenario. Just click on it. So after selecting this, you can see here this a blue option. So every automation need a eye to start a work. It mean like here what you want to start from that work. So we are like watching, we are starting from like watch a email. So just click on it and we are searching here a Gmail module. You can see here this one. So it means like how you want to start your work. So basically you can see here there is a lot of function as well, like a send an email, reply to an emails, and many more. So we are basically searching here like a watch a email. I want to use this module to watch my every emails, and after that we are further analyze it. If our email is necessary, then we proceed into next. So we are selecting here only watch email because this is a trigger. So identification of trigger is basically this blue option in front of text. You can see here this is the blue options. It means that in Gmail module this is the trigger. And giving you other example, like this one is a function, this is not a trigger. So we are starting from this one, like I want to use that every email make.com read. So just click on it. After clicking, you can see I already connect my account. It is a simple process. Just click on add and it will ask you for permission to just allow it. Your make.com and Gmail automatically connect. So I already connect to it. If you not know how to connect, I already post a video onto it as well. So here this is the setting of our Gmail modules. So it means asking a filter type. Just click on a simple filter and option here like which folder do you want to fetch the email. So just click on it and you can see here this is a lot of option: all email, chat, draft, and many more. So we are here to fetch from inbox. Just click on it and label. If you have a label on emails, you can select as well from this option. So I have not currently any label, so I am leaving it empty. So here the other option like criteria. Just click on it and there are two options into it, like only read message or only unread message. So we are using a only unread message, and limit as you want, select from that. I am just selecting here one for testing and save it. And it will ask me to how to start, like where to start from this. I am just choosing manually here, and you can see here I am using first one and just clicking on and run once. Now you see it run once and the data all came from my Gmail modules. After that we are adding a brain in our automation. Like here you can see I am just clicking on a plus options, and here you search like ENT, and you can see here this is the cloud. We are using a cloud in make.com as a brain of our automation. It will analyze our emails, and after analyzing it will check like if our email is like unnecessary or a hot lead or something, then it will proceed as our requirements as we give him an instruction. So here is a bonus tip, like you can use a cloud in make.com free. So it will not ask you to connect a API key. So in earlier days we need a API to connect with make.com. So just here you can see this one option, simple text prompt. Actually this is a new update of make.com which we use cloud without the API key. It just use the credit of make.com. So just click on this option, simple text prompt, and here you choose a different model of cloud. So just see here you can see there is a lot of new model opens everything, every model here are present. So we are using a small option here. Just click on this, and here you give a proper instruction to the cloud to analyze the email, like how it analyze, and after that it will then proceed. So here I already copy a prompt. So here I already make a prompt for Claude. I just copy it and I'm pasting here. You can see it is like here I am just map the body of my email, this one. Now I give him my instruction, like you can see a prompt here, and after I am saving it. Now again I am running it. You can see here. Now my cloud is running and it will like analyze it and it will give me a data. And now because the AI always run in a JSON format, so we are using a formatter to convert this JSON into a plain text. So here Make.com provides a solutions. It has a built-in module which convert our JSON into a normal text. So here you can select from it, just click on this plus option. After clicking, you just search here like a parse JSON. Here you can search like parse, and you can see here this is the option like parse JSON. Just click on it. After clicking, just map this result, because over this result you can see a JSON structure. Just click on it. After setting up our JSON module, we are using our existing data. Just you can see here, just run once. Now you can see here that this module like our train is running and it will create a structure here. You can see here the output I am showing you like this one. After normalizing the data, now we are using a decision maker, like not all our email are necessary. Some are like a high priority and some are a low priority. So we here decide where like how to react with high priority and how to react with like a low priority. So here's a Make.com. We called a router to a decision maker. So here just click on this option and just here you can see here flow control. Just click on it, and after that which is the option like router. So here you can see it's split into two parts. So we are like choosing a first part for high priority and the second part for low priority. Just click on it. We are giving a filter like hot, and after that here the condition like you can see here priority equal to, here I am giving a name as well. So always I'm giving you a bonus tips. Always write exact like you can see here. This is the output of my priority, and I paste is exactly as into it like this way, same way. If I like this way, then it create a error in my automations, like it will not pass from this. You can see here always write exactly which you have a output. So again I am right way and save it. And the second part I am using here like a priority, here like a low. So again naming it a low as well. So always name a filter so you identify what this filter is useful for this part. So here you can see my this full path is for hot and this for low. So here we are doing a different thinking about this one. So I want to use like that if my email is hot, I want to immediate send an email to my manager to check it immediately and respond it immediately. If like my email is not priority is low, then I will just create a clean CRM structure. So here for this again we search here like a routers. I want to send a welcome email to my customer as well the same time I want to notify my manager that this person is a high priority in our task. So again, we are searching here our router, and you can see here, I again convert this into a two part. Again, I am searching here our Gmail modules and send an email modules. Here I am choosing my account here because I already connected. You can see here the email I am currently using my own here for testing purpose. I put my Gmail account here. You can see here, and subject line I already copy it and I'm just pasting it. You can see here, and the HTML, there is a body content like which message do you want to send them. There are two options like collection of content, or you can see here this one. You just put a text here. No, always use the raw HTML format because the clean and premium structure here. So for a hot lead, I already make a prompt for it. You can see here, like this is a template I made for a hot lead. I'm just copy it. I just copy it and I am pasting here. You can see here, and just here you can see here I'm mapping completely as our requirement here. You can see here customer name map as well, and all the things are now done. So I am saving it. So at the same time, I want to send an email to my manager as well to check this email, like this person is in our hot lead. So I'm just copy this module and here I paste it and just reconnect it and delete it, and just change the subject line here and like something weird like check it and saving it. You can see here. Now it means when our email is hot, it will immediately send a manager email like check this, and also send a welcome email to my customer as well. So in the in our normal lead, I'm just creating here a monday.com lead. Just search here like a monday.com. I already are creating an item. Just search here. And after that, you can see here, this is the option like create an item. I already connect a monday.com with make.com. If you don't know how to connect a monday with make.com, I already post a detailed video onto it. So go and check it. So here, this is the item name. So item name, this one name is our actually we call the Monday item name. So here we are mapping this one. You can see here item name we are mapping here like a customer name, and board here I'm selecting our lead board because I have only one board here. You can see here this one, and here we can see group I am selecting like a hot lead, and here column like I am selecting all column here to map that well as well. And here you can see a mapping of it. I'm just selecting a date only. Date I am selecting here like now. The problem is monday.com don't accept the every date format, so it only accepts this format. You can see here and DD format. So I'm deleting it, and here I'm using a formula. Here you can see here the format date option. I say that this date convert onto this format. So after that, our monday.com accept the date format. You can see here I am just pasting it. And email section, you can see here our email is this one, and after that lead index like this one, and like selecting a normal lead here, and note section as well. Summary is our note section, and a phone number. Here you can see I have no phone number, I am skipping it. And priority, and you can see here and mapping here like a high. So if I select this one without mapping, like this one, then our automation run, it will automatically create a high. I don't want to create every time a high lead. I want if something like a low, it always act like this output way. So I'm selecting a priority, mapping here, and just trimming it. Now you can see our whole automation actually built, and I'm giving you an idea how it works. Whenever our email came, our brain, the AI of Claude, analyze it, and after analyzing, our translator, the first JSON, translate it, convert into a proper format. Here, this is the decision maker. We decide which part our lead want to go. Here you can see if our lead is like a hot lead, it will then pass from this path like hot, and here will again like the same path like I want to send both email like a customer as well and also a manager as well. So this way our customer immediately get the welcome message and my manager get to know that this person is in our hot lead format. And in the same way, if our email is like a normal, I will create into a money.com lead as well. You can see here it is running and I'm giving a live example here. So at both time the customer get a email response as well and my manager get a email response as well. And you can see here this is the like I set up our manager here, and here you can see a welcome email tag like our client will receive, like our customer will receive. Just click on it and you can see here, hi unknown, thank you for reaching out, this template I made. And so our automation is now complete. So you can see here we complete it. So building automation is very easy. So always our decision maker, like here is our main part is like Claude. So always give him a proper instruction. So after that it will give you output as you want. So I give him a proper instruction here, so it will work as I want. So in this automation, if you have any kind of confusion and like what task you are currently doing a manual process, just comment into my video. I will make a video onto it and I will reply to every comment as well. So please like and subscribe my channel to stay updated on my next video.